Hi guys, so today I will show you how to make a paper boat like this one. So to make this we need a sheet of A4 size. So I am taking today green colored sheet. So when I have this size sheet, A4 size sheet, just fold like this here and here, just fold it like this. Fold it again from this side to this side like this. Just open it and from this point make a triangle like this, and same here like this. Fold it and now take this point, take this and just fold it like this. Make a small triangle here and same here as well. Just do like this, fold it like this. Switch to the other side like this and we will do the same thing here as well. Just fold it like this. Here also the same thing like this. When it's done, take this and fold it backwards. Switch to the other side. Same here also, fold it backwards. Press it nicely, smoothly, all sides. Then take it with your hands. This thing, one finger here, and just open it like this. Take this now. It's like this. From here, from this side, it will look like this. This side will look like this. So one by one, take the sides and just do like this. This we have done. So switch to the next side and do the same thing here also. Just do it like this. When it's done, one finger here and the other finger here like this. On the other side, just move it like this and press it nicely. Hold it from here, and now just open and your boat is ready. And you can open this from the back like this, and it's ready now. And when you have to keep it, you can just fold it like this, and it's folded and it's very thin now. And when you have to play with it or just you want to fully move it like this, then you can open from this part like this. Just put your hand or fingers here and it will open, and it's ready. The boat is made now. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos, smash the like button. Please comment also, and Please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rice Analytics, and to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadik's World. Bye bye.